Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry of Class 10th Full Guide. Begin by mapping the syllabus and highlighting key chapters to prioritize study time immediately. Create a weekly plan that breaks topics into manageable 45 to 60-minute sessions and include short breaks. Use the textbook as your anchor, noting formulae, definitions, and typical questions. Solve end-of-chapter exercises and track weak areas for review each week. Make studying active and engaging by turning content into concise notes and visuals that your brain can recall easily. Summarize each topic on one page, emphasizing formulas, reactions, and exceptions. Draw diagrams and flowcharts for mechanisms, periodic trends, and bonding to boost retention. Regularly time yourself on past exam questions to build accuracy and reduce test anxiety for actual exam conditions. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos and alerts. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy helper that cleans while you study, and you can use voice control to start cleaning without missing a revision beat. A little relaxation boost between topics. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Revision and consistent practice turn knowledge into confident performance, so schedule weekly review cycles that revisit older chapters consistently. Use compact formula sheets for quick last-minute checks and to reinforce memory before exams. Join a study group to tackle challenging problems together and run timed quizzes to improve speed, while exchanging tips and clarifying doubts in a supportive environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.